Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are working in my memory planner. For the last few weeks, meaning December, I've been using my classic sized planner because I wasn't really utilizing it for like work and keeping my life organized. And it's the same size as the Heidi Swap insert. So I have enjoyed working in this one. There are a few videos on my channel. So I haven't decided if I want to still stay in a horizontal. I missed this week, but I do have the pictures printed. I haven't decided if I wanted to stay in the horizontal or keep it as a vertical. Because see, I would interchange because doing vertical is like home base for me. So when this was like a design team project to use these stickers, I went back and used, this is when it started, the vertical classic happy planner. And then I did it another week. You know, because I was like, oh, well, I'm comfortable in this size, and clearly I have to do all my journaling still. So I do like the size. I just haven't decided if I wanted to stay horizontal or vertical. So for today's layout, we are doing vertical. So we are on the December 12th. Yeah, 12th through the 18th. So we're just stepping away from this one and going here. I have already cut out, because I use the printables now instead of just the tangible stickers. These are Baking Spirits Bright. That's the sticker collection right there from Planet Darbi. I have Pyra's Monochrome, which are these like black doodles that I thought could be like a background. And then I've pulled this Christmas from Vicky Bouton Evergreen Holly paper that I just thought I would back my photos with because it looks, for me, a little bit too white. Then I also have the Let's Get Lit light bulbs. So this is like the green and the reddy pink ones, just because it worked with the same color. So we'll do these as like the extra garnish. And I have this from the quote sheet, Happy Holidays pulled. And then I cut out this quote one too. This one is from the sheet called Lyrical Xmas Art. So that's where that one was cut from. So I will leave all of the sticker sheets I am using on today's layout down below. And remember, if you use TIE15, you get a discount off of your $5 or more purchase because I am on her design team. And it's been super fun. Like I just did a flip through there. It's fun working with printables. You know, I never thought I would do printables because I actually don't have a color printer here. I am saving up for one because I'm trying to do like a no spend January on crafty supplies, so that I can just fund all my money to get a decent printer for photos and color. So that is the goal. So I kind of have a general layout. I thought I was just going to keep it simple with all my photos on the bottom, all the cutesy stickers in the middle, and then garnish it and flurry it, embellish it up along the sides with these two. Okay, so let's get started. So yeah, that's where I'm at with using my classic size. I do believe this is the size I will use no matter what for next year. And I did purchase, I do have just the 18-month vertical as well as the calendar year horizontal for this upcoming 2023. So I just kind of feel like I'm going to interchange between both layouts depending on how I'm feeling. I hope you will appreciate the variety. I do like the Heidi Swap ones, but I even right now as I'm talking to you just took apart that booklet you just saw me show you do a couple of those weeks, simply because I guess in the classic, while being in a disc, it's easier to work with it flat. And once you start using the booklet and you go week to week to week, to work on the left side becomes very tricky because it becomes chunky and irregular in nature because of the flaps and the little tucks and the little three-dimensional embellishments that come in the Stop the Blur kit. So I almost find that even if I did go back to the Stop the Blur pamphlet, I would take it off the like sewn stitch booklet and make it on disc regardless. But the size is fantastic. 100% love the size. I will change the size no matter what for next year, but just have a variety of layouts to each week's layout. Okay, there you go. Fairly simple, enough room for all of my journaling. Love the little cookie stickers that this is, and it was just a busy holiday week. She had a recital, we had a birthday party, went to the circus. If this one got squished. And Mama got a new haircut that week too. Love it, love it. All right, this will be next week's video. So we will work on the week of Christmas.